All right, let's get stock specific then. And what is it that's on your radar, Rudra?
Yeah, I'm picking the top PSU bank, that is SBI. No doubt post results, yes, it made a move on the downside for very short term, but very strong support is there at 570. Look at the great risk reward you have buying SBI now. As a trader, if I'm buying at current market price, I just have 1% to lose. I'm keeping a tight stop loss at around 568 because I feel 570 support will not get broken on the short term. So keeping that 568 stop loss, looking at a target of 590. So that is a 25 rupee return from current level with a 5 rupee stop loss, 1:5 kind of a risk reward. Second stock which I like on chart is Gail. Again, these are positional buys available in future. One can roll over and carry positions on the long side irrespective of market movement. And for me, Gail also at current market price is very attractive. Keeping a tight stop loss of 114, I am looking at target of 130. Again, from current market price, it's a 1:5 kind of a risk reward. Even with 30-40% kind of an accuracy, you will make big money when you have this kind of a risk reward. So both on the buy side, SBI as well as Gail.
Okay, and let's find out what's on Nooresh's radar. You've got Rudra betting on Gail and SBI. Nooresh, what's your preference?
So first is a buy on IndusInd Bank. The stock has continued in a higher top, higher bottom formation. And over the last 3 sessions has clearly been showing strength even when the bank nifty has been correcting. And the stock is now in a, say, a 1%, 1.5% away from the recent 52-week highs. A flag breakout confirmed yesterday above 1430 levels. So a clear-cut leadership move coming in for IndusInd Bank. This could at least take it to 1550 to start with, could surprise on the way towards 1800 plus in the medium term. So like the stock, expect more momentum once it sustains 1450 levels. So buy at current levels as well as on dips with a stop loss at 1370. Second is a buy on ONGC. Now, this is a structural call in terms of the medium to long term. If you look at the longer term charts, 180 to 190 has been a major resistance. The stock topped out around 180, 190 when crude hit $130 in 2022. Post that, it saw a sharp correction, made a recovery, again saw a correction from 155, 160 when windfall taxes got announced. Now, we are back to that 180 mark, which is very close to a multi-year breakout as well. On a dividend adjusted basis, it is just 10% away from an all-time high. Looks very similar to what happened with the rest of public sector enterprises. Should be a major re-rating candidate going forward. A short-term target price of 200, longer term would be much, much higher. Stop loss at 170.
It's a bullish call coming in from Nooresh and ONGC. He's been pretty gung-ho on the stock off late. Almost on a daily basis, it's one amongst his top picks. But